Hey everyone, Rachel here from Things We Wear, and today I wanted to do a little bit behind the scenes work on sizing. I just released a video about grading in Tüketag and just the grading process in general, and at the end of that one I talked about ASTM and where you can learn about grading in more depth, and then it suddenly occurred to me, you know what, a great resource and something that I actually do a lot is I check out brand websites to see what their sizing is, and that's a great place to start if you're interested in grading and how sizes are working. Every brand has their own way, but they do disclose that information because they need to tell you what their sizing is. So here's a great example. I'm on the J.Crew website here, and I just searched J.Crew size charts. You could do this for any brand, just whatever brand you want, just click size charts. And here is their top size chart for regular. So within some brands offer different height categories. So when we're talking about petite, petite is just referencing height, but it can also be about proportion. And then tall, of course, the same way. Different brands do specialty sizing in different ways. Some of them fit their petites and their tall, some of them don't. But one thing I would say that might be different between petite, regular, and tall is that not only are lengths maybe going to be adjusted, like let's say inseam lengths or sleeve lengths, but a company who's really doing it with a lot of thought will probably fit that on a model